moment that will define who will represent the Philippines on the Miss Universe stage. Let's take one last look at our top 7 finalists. Miss Cebu Province, Miss Tarlac, Miss Pampanga, Miss La Union, Miss Sultan Kudarat, Miss Cebu City, and Miss Taguig. All right, joining me in this very special moment, please welcome the National Director for the Miss Universe Philippines organization, Ariela Arida. All right, now we call on Janik Reyes, our partner from PwC Philippines, to hand over the results to us. Here we go, moment of truth. The honor is yours, Ms. Ariela. All right, these results have been officially tabulated by CISPROTEC and independently validated by Tax Services Incorporated, together with PwC, our official verifier and auditor. Ladies, this has been a journey of courage, grace, and purpose. From this moment on, one of you will carry on the responsibility of representing the Filipina on the global stage and will serve as an ambassador for PINA, Gel Life, Playtime Entertainment, Maya, and Philippine Airlines. She will also wear the La Mer en Majesty crown by Jewelmer, a symbol of beauty, strength, and national pride. And now, Mall of Asia Arena! Pilipinas, it's time to crown our new queen! Ariela, will you help me announce the winner? I can't do this alone. All right, here we go! Philippines 2026 is Miss La Union! Congratulations to our new Miss Universe Philippines 2026, Miss La Union. You now carry the pride of the Filipina on the global stage. This has been your host, Marina Summers, celebrating the strength, beauty, and power of every Filipina. Good night at mabuhay ang Pilipina! Miss La Union, please take your first walk as Miss Universe Philippines 2026!